In this video, we will see how to change wiper blade for Alto, and the wiper size for this car is 18 and 16, and this we can see directly in Google by searching as Alto 800 wiper size. It shows clearly. So here driver side is 18 and the passenger side is 16. And remove this, it's a very simple procedure. Just need to press this button and pull it out. It hardly takes 10 seconds. So press and pull. That's it. The old wiper came out, and now we are going to put our new wiper. So the new wipers are from the brand Hella, and for both it costs around 350. They are given some adapters too, which is not required. Let's just fix the wiper. So to fix it, the same process. The clicking edge should come at the lower side. That's the trick here. In such a way, just place your wiper and push it up. So you'll be hearing a click sound over there when you push, which means it got locked. That's it. So similarly, we have to replace for the passenger side. So we have to remove the same way. Press that button and pull it down. To remove it hardly takes 10 seconds, and to put a new one it hardly takes 10 to 20 seconds max. As I mentioned, the trick is very simple. The button should come to the lower side. Place it in such a position and pull it up. You will hear a click sound. Done. So that's it. With this, we will close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.